Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beautiful Stitches. I love you all and I'm glad you're here with me. Today we'll be looking at how to cut a 6 pieces gown for a baby girl, and it's very interesting, very. So I will plead you stick around, watch till the end and get the details of today's tutorial. And before I forget, if you're new to this channel, subscribe before leaving. Don't fail to subscribe, and also click the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload my videos. I love you all. So for today's tutorial, we'll be needing some measurements. The measurement we need is our shoulder measurements, our bust, nipple to nipple, bust point, half length, waist and full length of our gown. So let's go to our cutting table. Okay, for us to achieve our 6 pieces off shoulder gown, we need to know the calculation of each piece, what to use to map out each piece of our 6 pieces. So we use our nipple to nipple. From our measurement, our nipple to nipple is 5 divided by 2, we have 2.5 plus 0.5 inch seam allowance, we have 3. That is for the from the center front. So we'll be calculating with 3 inches. Then also for the remaining piece, we have 22 as the bust measurement. So 22 divided by 4, we have 5.5 plus 3.5 inch allowance. Remember, we'll be joining the two sides to the center front. So we have 9 inches for the sides. For the quarter measurement, we have 9 inches. So if you are cutting out the sides now, we'll subtract 3 from 9. So whatever we get, that is what we use to measure out our sides, the two sides of the 6 pieces. So let's draft it out on our fabric. So we said, okay, we will start with our vertical measurement. From the shoulder to the nipple point is 5 inches. 5 inches. Then from the nipple point to the half length is 9 inches. Then the full length of our gown is 33 inches, which is this way, plus 1 inch seam allowance, 1 inch folding. So we'll draw it out into a straight line. Then we'll add the 6 pieces. For us to achieve a full 6 pieces, we'll add 6 inches at the hem of the gown, where we'll draw our 6 pieces out. So from here, we have 3 inches nipple to nipple measurement with 0.5 inch seam allowance. 3 inches. Remember, it's a 6 pieces gown for a 3-year-old girl. So 6 pieces. So here we have 9. Sorry. Here we have 9 inches. 3 plus 6 is 9 for us to have a full 6 pieces gown. So we have 9 inches here. Okay, let's connect the lines from here to this point, and then we connect down this way. Let me use my T-square So we'll connect down this way. Hope my markings are clear. Okay, this is for the front panel. Make sure no area is sharp. This is for our front panel, so let's cut it out. So this is our center front, but before we cut out the center back, remember this is an off shoulder 6 pieces gown, so it will not start directly from the shoulder. So we'll be cutting out 3 inches here, but we will not cut out 3 inches, we'll cut out 2.5 inches because of seam allowance. So let's mark it out, 2.5 inches. So we can use this to cut out the remaining pieces. Remember, 2.5 inches, 1/2 inch seam allowance to turn the fabric with the interfacing. Turn the fabric. So let's cut the center back. Remember, this back have a zipper, so we'll mark out our zipper allowance. We'll mark out 1 inch zipper allowance. Yeah. Okay. Let's make it into a straight line. What we do now is to place this other front center front on the back, then cut out the center back. Okay, let's cut. Okay, this is our center back. This is our zipper allowance. So remember to notch the point where the zip will be fixed. Give a small notch. Okay, this is for our center back. So we'll cut out the sides now. Remember, from our calculation, we are adding 3.5 inches to make it 9. So from the center front, we'll subtract the 3 inches we have at the center front, and then whatever we have is for the sides. Okay. So we are still working with our center front. We use it to cut out the sides. So for the sides, we've cut out the center front, so we use it to also cut out the sides. We said the side we are measuring out 9 inches, so 6 minus 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So from here we have 3 inches, which is 6 inches. Then we add 1.5 to make it 9 inches. Here is 1.5. From here to here is 1.5. That is 9 inches. So we'll cut down this way because we are joining it on the 2 sides. We'll cut this way. Okay, so let's cut it out. So we have cut out the sides. Let me spread it out so that we'll see how it looks like. These are the two sides. Okay, let me spread it this way. And this is the center front. Okay, this is the center front. This is how it looks like. Okay, so what we do now is to cut out the two panels at the back. So let's use one of the side. So let's use one of the side to cut out the back side. Okay, to complete it up the 6 pieces. So this is the remaining sides to complete it up the 6 pieces. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, the pieces are complete, so it's for us to cut out the lining and join it together. As you can see, this is the pieces for the back. Let me turn it this way so that we can see it very well. This is the pieces for the back. Oh, let me put it this way. Okay, this is the pieces for the back. Then this is the two sides. Let me put the center back. This is the center back with the zipper allowance. Remember, we'll cut this side open, so I don't want to cut it open now. When I want to put my zipper, I can cut it open. This is the center back. This is the center back. Okay, and this is the front panel this way, and this is the center front. Sorry, I use the pin to hold it in position so that it doesn't shake. This is the center front. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very fine, very fine. We join this way down, this way down. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, you can give me a thumbs up, and please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in my next tutorial on how to join this 6 pieces gown together with the lining. Remember, I said I'll be using I'll be using each of the pieces to cut out a lining that will be suitable for each of them, and the lining will not get to the hem of the fabric. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you.